Today we'll talk about how can you select loan screen on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, you come to next step here. You click here on launch screen, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you select launch screen in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching.